Hi guys, how are you all? Hey, what are they teaching for Ashrita at school?
In algebra 2 or in general?
In
Oh,
algebra too.
Miss Priya, in math, in our class today, we started learning about like measures of center of triangles, like the circumcenter, incenter, all that.
Okay. Properties of triangles. Yep. We'll learn definitely that. Congruence, have they started? No, right?
The congruent, we finished congruent proofs.
Good proofs. SAS, SSS, all that you finished?
Yeah, we learned.
Okay. What are we
Also,
learning?
I wasn't able to finish the homework. I was like really busy over the weekend.
For algebra 2, you're saying?
Yeah,
Oh, I see. I see. How about you, Ashrita? Hey, for algebra 2, you're not studying at school, right, Manam?
no.
Okay, that's what I want. This class is really going slow. Ashrita, what are you doing?
In school, we're doing matrices and then we did systems of inequalities.
Okay. Have you started quadratics?
We already finished quadratics.
Is it easy?
Yeah. We finished quadratics, and I forgot what the other one was. Yeah, quadratics, yeah.
So you have gone to systems of inequality, huh? Okay. Okay. So how to expedite that? I'm also wondering, but at the same time,
Miss Priya,
yeah, go ahead.
I had a couple of questions on the homework.
Page numbers now.
Page
Also had a
number,
question.
I'm not sure, but I did have a few questions on 24 and 31 of the factoring assignment 2.
Oh, factoring assignment. Okay, factoring, if they're able to complete it, right, I can get
On
going.
the factoring assignment, I had questions on question 10 and question 26.
Okay, let's see now. Oh, okay.
So yeah, on page number 3.
But you have a test as well today, you know that, right? I mean, yeah, you have a test as well. I did not tell you, but I have prepared a test for you to go over till absolute value equations. But I don't want to give the full class, you see, because my class would get wasted. So I'm already lagging in this class. So I really want to get going. Which assignment, ma'am?
The factoring assignment 2.
Yeah.
Okay, let me first share screen, then you can tell me which one. Okay, what is your question on this?
I had a question on number 10, which is right over there, number 10.
Number 10, let me do that on the code maybe.
Can
So,
I try solving it on the board?
yeah, x square minus 5 is common, ma. Then
Yeah.
square plus 6.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's what I got. But in the key, you couldn't find it anywhere. Like when you go down, you can't find it anywhere.
Did you get this? Do you have this?
12. Oh, is that for number 10?
Yeah.
I wait, but if they're two different, how do you know how to do that? How
It
did
is
you?
there, right, Ashita? I'm able to see it there.
Oh, I don't know how I didn't see it. I wrote that answer down and I didn't notice that I couldn't find it. Oh,
Okay.
and I have a question on number 26.
26. What is your question on that? Did you
26, I was able to get, I got 3x common x, where is it? 3x common x plus 2, and then there was negative y plus 3. I didn't know what to do with that. You just put it negative y plus 3, or
I don't know. Hold on. Let me check. This one, I don't think you can simplify at all. Do you see? I don't think you can simplify this at all.
oh, so you just put prime, right?
Yep.
I forgot that you could do that. I did for other questions. Okay.
Any other questions you had?
No, that's it for me. I think Yukti has some questions.
Yeah. Go ahead, Mayukti.
Yeah, on page number 3, I had a question on number 24.
Page number 3. Is this page number 3? Amma, I'm not able to see. Something is blocking
Yeah,
again.
that one. Right there.
Which question number, ma?
24.
24. Okay, what is your question?
I just didn't understand the process on how to solve it.
Ma, this is a square minus b square, ma. A is 2z minus 3. B is x plus 7y.
So, oh, I see. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I go further or
Miss
you'll
Priya, could you do number 8? Because I didn't know how to solve it using the a square minus b square. Because I did it using the greatest common factor.
Which one, ma? Which one you want me to solve, ma, now?
Number 8 or
8, I will
17.
do.
Could you
Wait,
do 17 actually?
I will do 17. Hold on. Yukti, did you understand or should I go further and show you?
Could you just solve like a few
Yeah,
steps?
absolutely. Mano, please hold on, hang in there. So a square minus b square, right? 2z minus 3 plus x plus 7y. Okay. Then 2z minus 3 minus x minus 7y. That's it.
Yeah, okay. I
You got
see.
it? Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, Sushank. What is that, Sushank?
I didn't ask a question.
Oh, sorry. Did you do the homework, Sushank?
I did the first part, but I haven't done the second part. Or I am doing the second
What
part.
are they doing in school, Sushank?
Geometry.
Oh, geometry. See, that's why this class is really slow. Ashrita, have they completed complex numbers for you?
I don't think we did complex
Then how
numbers.
did you finish quadratics? There is no way you can finish quadratic without. That's what I was wondering. That's a lot of things in quadrat.
Wait, what do you mean by complex numbers?
A plus bi, a minus bi,
Oh, yeah, we did imaginary.
addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then you're asking what is complex numbers, right?
Yeah, we called it as imaginary numbers. That's why.
Okay, but did you add, subtract, multiply, divide?
Yes, yeah. We all did. We already did all of that.
Okay, let's go ahead. What else?
I
What
think
other?
that was it.
See, Mana wanted me to solve something else. Sorry, Mana. What
Yeah,
was that?
It
17.
was 17. I didn't know how to. I only knew how to do it by like the greatest common factor.
Yeah, that's the only way, Mana.
You can't do it the difference of squares.
Um, looks like you can, but I can check. I don't know. 10, 8, maybe 6 is the common.
Because if there was a way to do it with the difference of squares,
X,
then I
Y,
didn't know it.
When I did this question, I just divided it by. I just used GCF because I didn't know if you could do it with differences of squares. So I just divided everything by 6.
No, you cannot divide everything by 6.
I mean, like
You
I
took
took
out
6
common,
out.
that is fine. Yeah, you can take it out as common. Yes.
Yeah, that's
You
what I
can
meant.
take out 6xy as common. That way, 5x minus 4y plus 6x square will be there. That's it.
Yeah. Isn't
Any
it
other-
4? No, how is it 5x? 4?
Because 6y is taken out, right? So 6x is taken.
Oh yeah. Because 30.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Okay. Ma, I'm going to expedite a little bit. I know I've been slow. Okay. I hope we have done enough transformations in this class. Since many of you are not taking algebra 2, I wanted to be slow without messing you, meaning without making sure that you all understood. But going further, I really want to go a little faster because I feel like we are slowing down a lot in this class. My only problem is if I end up not completing, I'll have some extra classes. That's it. Okay, but I don't want to do all that, you know. So let's go over the quadratic functions. I'll be a little fast. Now that you know factoring, did you all know how to complete squares? Do you all know how to complete squares?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, now if you're given Let me go ahead with this. How about f of x? Okay, in the graphs, let's go ahead and do this one. X minus of minus 1. This is all on transformations, which we have already covered, but this is a quadratic graph. The parent graph would be y equal to x squared. Now, what are the transformations in this graph? Who can explain that?
Could I explain?
Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
So there's a vertical compression by a factor of 0.5.
Vertical compression. Yeah, vertical compression by 0.5. Then
And then you move left 1.
good.
And then there's a vertical shift down 3.
Yukti, did you learn from this class only?
Yeah, and in school, like we've been kind of going over transformations of shapes
Oh,
as
you were
well.
studying algebra 2 in school?
No, geometry.
Oh, that is different, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. Okay, good to know. Okay, now how about this? -2. Sushant, can you help me with this? I'm going to move on if you guys know. What are the transformations?
Okay. You want me to do this one?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so that's a vertical, it's a
Mhm.
vertical compression, right?
Vertical 2, right? The factor is greater than 1.
Okay, so then that's a vertical stretch,
Mm-hmm.
by 2, and then,
The minus, what happened to the minus?
that's a
Reflection.
reflection.
On what?
The y-axis?
This is not on y-axis, even though it's being applied to the y. Then see, y coordinate is negated, means it's a reflection on x-axis. Vertical.
Wait, that's like it's going on the y-axis though.
Yeah. See, when you have, this is what I explained early on in this class. When you have a point 1, 1, right? When you
Mhm.
reflect it on the x-axis, your y coordinate changes. Y
Yeah,
coordinate.
that's what I meant. I was saying that it was like, I didn't, okay, so
Yeah,
I got
but
it.
you got it. Okay, good. And then up by 4. That's all. Can I move on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, suppose let's say you're given this. Okay. How about you're given this x square? Let me do this. 2x square plus 12x plus 10. If you're given this in standard form, okay, I ask you to find the vertex form. What do you do for this one? Ashrita, can you go ahead and tell me what will you do?
Can you repeat that? It's lagging. What did you?
Standard form of an equation is given. I
Yes,
need to convert it to vertex form.
vertex form.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to do this. I don't think I don't know if they taught this last year at school.
No, nobody. In algebra 1, you
I
might have.
think in algebra I'm pretty sure we did something with standard form and vertex form of
That's
it.
okay. That's okay. See, we need to revise. Absolutely, I understand because kids don't remember. Shruti, do you remember?
You had to complete the square, right?
Yes. So what will you do?
You like do 12x divided by 2, so it would be like b by 2a. So we do 2x
Yeah,
squared.
1 minute. Before that, right? You have to take out 2 as common. Like what Ashrita
Well,
is
yeah,
saying.
to make it like 1.
Coefficient of x square should be 1. You have to take the 2 as common. Go ahead, Ashrita. So that will become x square plus 6x plus 5. And then what do you do? And then find b by 2a. What is b by 2a? 6 by 2 times 1, which is 3. So you find 3 square, which is 9. So what do you do? 1 minute. Ashrita, can I go? I'm sorry to ask you. Can I go ahead? For the first time, I'll go ahead, ma. Next time, I'll give you the turn. You can do it.
Yeah.
Okay. You're using a pen now. Are you using a pen, ma?
Yeah,
What pen you're using?
Apple Pen.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. 2 times x square plus 6x is there, right? You always group these two and then plus 9 minus 9 you're going to do. Do you get it? Plus 9 minus 9 if I do, and then write this plus 5. Why I am doing this? It's like adding a 0, but then I can regroup this and make it into a square term. X plus, there is a plus in here and a 3. So x plus 3 the whole square minus 9 plus 5. Do you see it, guys? 2 times x plus 3 the whole square minus 4. See, now I have come to a format which is of the format x minus h the whole square plus k. Do you see it? Any questions here?
No.
So now how do I express it? Wait, I need to take this off. I need to multiply this 2 inside and inside. So 2 times x plus 3 the whole square minus 8. Now do you see what is the transformation? Vertical stretch by 2, down by 8, and then left by 3.
Wait, why did you multiply -4 and 2?
Yeah, because the 2 is common to everything inside the parenthesis. You need to be very careful.
Then why didn't you do it with the x? Oh, you did it. Oh, you did.
Yeah. So here what is happening? What is the vertex? Vertex is, this is of the format x minus h the whole square plus k. A times. This is your vertical stretch. H is what? Minus 3. K is minus 8. So minus 3 comma minus 8 is your vertex. You got it? Guys, are you all
Miss
with me?
Priya,
Yeah.
why did you multiply 2 times -4?
Why did I multiply 2 times -4? Because 2 is outside. I cannot keep it hanging, right? I have to bring it to the format a times x minus h the whole square plus k. This is your vertex form, right?
Yeah, but then there's still 2 at the end. 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 8, right?
2 is common to everything inside the parenthesis, right? You took 2 as common for everything inside the, see, you took away 2 as common from the entire thing, right?
Yeah.
So you need to put it back, right? Whatever is inside parenthesis. This was a term 2 times x minus x plus 3 the whole square, and then 2 times minus 4 is minus 8.
Okay.
Did you
Hey,
get
Miss
it?
Priya, I don't understand. Where did the positive and the -9 come from?
That's what I'm saying. You have to choose the x square and x term and then add a 9 and a minus 9. How do you choose 9? B by 2a the whole square.
What if the coefficient's 1?
I'll do one problem now. So Shank, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do 1 or 2 more problems and then I'll let you do, okay? How about this? How about this? You want something with x square plus 6x minus 3. Convert to vertex form. How do I convert it? Take the 2. Take the 2 terms. What will you do? What is b by 2a?
Miss Priya, can I do it on the board?
Yeah. You want to go ahead? Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead, Akshata. Go ahead.
So b by 2a would be 6 over 2 times 1, which would be 9. So then it would be plus 6x minus 3 plus 9 minus 9. You do this together, right? Then how do you do the next part?
So b by 2a is 6 by 2. Good job. The whole square, which is 9. So add a plus 9 and a minus 9 and regroup it, ma. The minus 3 has to move out. Regroup means after the x square plus 6x term, you have to write a plus 9 and a minus 9.
Yeah,
Write it down.
right here, I wrote it.
Now, find the square term. What is the square term there?
The square term.
Yeah, find the square term. X square plus 6x plus 9, right? No, Ashita, you have to rewrite, ma. Okay, Ashita, I'm going to do it on the board, Ashita. X square plus 6x. Please don't do this. Okay, plus 9 minus 9. First put that in and then put the minus 3 from here. Now you're going to group this into the square term. What is the square term? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it's easy, right? There is a plus in here, means it is a plus b the whole square. X plus 3 the whole square minus 12. That's it. So h is minus 3, k is minus 12. Any
Yeah.
questions? Any questions?
No.
Is that formula a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or is it just b?
A square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b the whole square. Guys, I will not give you this hereafter. Okay, it's high time you remember. Minus 2ab is a minus b the whole square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. You know what? Honestly, at home, I want my elementary daughter to remember these. Okay, if she forgets, I get mad. That important is these. Honestly telling you, okay, because they form the foundation of everything. You cannot afford to forget any of these three. Okay, same applies to you. I want all of you, even in your sleep, you'll have to remember this till you finish math in college. Okay, just put it in your brain, rot memory. There is no other way for the, you have more. Okay, for that matter, I'm not asking you to memorize this. You have to though at algebra 2 level, but I'm not asking you to memorize this. Get it? I'm not asking you to memorize this right away now. Similarly, a plus b, a minus b, this and all, I'm not asking you to memorize this right away, but you should at algebra 2 level. But these three you cannot afford to forget. Can I move on? Now, x square plus 6x plus 3. I am a little fast, I know, because I have to give the class for the test as well, right? So here, if you're, see, converting to, Sushank, I was not angry or mad, but I really wanted you to know, okay? And then
No,
here,
it wasn't that. I couldn't read your handwriting.
oh, I am sorry then. Okay. Okay. Now x square plus 6x minus 3. Converting to vertex form and then finding h comma k, which is the vertex, is one way. Okay. But the other way, when you're given the standard form directly, right? How to find out the vertex? Let me go back. I'll write it more, legibly, Sushant. Okay, see here. This was completing square, converting to vertex form, finding the vertex, right? Now, directly, how can I find the vertex from standard form? Remember, the x coordinate of the vertex is minus b by 2a. This is from algebra 1. Minus b divided by 2. Minus 3 is the x coordinate of the vertex. See here. Y coordinate of the vertex, how will you put? Substitute the x coordinate in x and find out the value of the expression. Minus 3 the whole square, minus 18 minus 3. 9 minus 18 minus 3. Minus 9 minus 3 minus 12. You get it? So this will be k. So when you're given the standard form of a quadratic equation, you can find the vertex directly. Okay, that is this way, which is in red. Or you can convert to vertex form and then find the vertex. How do you convert to vertex form? Use completion of squares. For completion of squares, the very first step you'll make sure is x square's coefficient is 1. After that, you're going to find b by 2a the whole square, add and subtract, make squares.
So, Miss Priya, just to clarify, after you do the completing the squares, you get your 2 zeros, right?
You get your,
The zeros of the function.
not the zeros of the function, you get the vertex.
So, like, once you do the completing the square and you get, like, the x is equal to this and then, like, the x is equal to this.
Wait, now you're getting confused. No. Okay. I'm glad you brought it up. Yeah, I see your confusion. Hold on. Since you're learning it for the first time new, so it's like that. Okay, now, this is a quadratic function. Okay. This is a quadratic function. Now, this and these points are called x-intercepts, are roots or zeros. This is the value of x which you find using quadratic formula or factoring, something you do, right? To find out the x values, which are the roots or the x-intercepts, correct?
Yeah.
Right. Right? But then what you're finding, here, whatever you're finding here, h comma k, that is the vertex. You
But
got
like, isn't completing the square a method you use to find the zeros?
You can also find the zeros.
So what did you do differently to solve for the vertex?
You can complete squares to find the value of x, definitely. See, when you equate this x plus 3 the whole square minus 12 equal to 0, because at this point y value is 0. When you equate it and find out what, you can find out x value. I didn't do that. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So x plus 3 equal to root 12. X will be equal to root 12 minus 3. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Minus 3 minus root 12 is the other root. So here I did not do this at all. So this is minus 3. This is root 12 minus 3. This is minus 3 minus root 12. These two are the roots. But minus 3 comma minus 12 is the vertex.
So where did you change it? Like, did you equate it to something, or did you?
Illemma, see, this is the quadratic function. This is the curve. The curve, right? The curve's function equation is this. Okay, the equation is x plus 3 the whole square minus 12. You got it? This
Yeah.
is the format x minus h the whole square plus k, where h and k are the vertex.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you want to find out the zeros from this, you have to equate the entire quadratic function expression to 0, because this is the value of y, right? So that y has to be 0. For you to find the values, you have to equate it to 0 to find out the x values.
Yeah. So what you did is you didn't equate it to anything?
I didn't equate it to anything. I just made an expression in a different format. That's all. I gave you an expression. This expression, I put it in a different format.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Kind of, Illamma. Where did you, or you're not getting it? I'll help you. This is ax square plus bx plus c format. There is only an expression. There is no equal to 0. Do you see? These are quadratic functions or expressions. Functions, you see, now I am putting that function into a different format. What format? 8 times x minus h the whole square plus k. That's all. This is equal to the function. This is equal to the quadratic function. When I equate that function to 0, then I can find where the quadratic function is crossing the x-axis. You got it?
Okay, so this is when you do the x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9, right? And then minus 3?
You're doing to complete squares. Why are you doing that? To convert standard form to vertex form.
Okay. Okay, that makes more sense, yeah.
Shruti, are you with me?
Yeah.
How about you, Ashrita? Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, guys, I really want you to try this one, okay? Oh my gosh. One second, guys. One second. I have a problem with my pen. My battery is gone. Oh my gosh. That's not the time to. Okay, let me see this one. 9x square plus 18x minus 3. This is my quadratic function. Can you find the vertex for this quadratic function? What is the axis of symmetry of this quadratic function? Can you do that for me? Please be careful. Please make sure completion squares is the procedure. You have to take out x square coefficient should be 1. Give me 1 minute, guys. You can proceed. Guys, in your class, I cannot afford to waste time, right? So, is there any suggestion on how to administer the test? I'm prepared to listen to each of you. What should I do about the test?
Could you make that our homework?
No. With the test?
Yeah, that
Wait,
will be
how long is
homework.
the test? How long is the test?
The
So
test
there's
is
a
25
test.
questions. The test is 25 questions, Amma.
Oh, then homework is fine.
But
Homework.
we have
When's the test
time in
gonna
this
be?
class. What I'm saying is we have time in this class to do it, right?
Yes, ma, but I don't want to give away the time. If I give that time away, right, meaning your class is already lagging. I want to finish quadratics completely by next week. You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I'd
So,
rather do that for homework. I'd
When-
rather do that. For...
Yeah, because I don't
what
think
was
we'd
that?
have
I
enough
didn't
time
listen
to
to one
finish
of you.
it.
What was that?
When's the test?
When is the test? Test, that's what I'm asking. When do you want to take the test?
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like how we were gonna do the test.
Yeah, when do you want to take the test? At home?
Yeah,
I'm
because I
fine
think we'll have
doing
more
anything.
time.
Okay, I can give the test for you at home, okay, but I'll enable a form timer. Let me see.
Hmm.
Okay, let me see. Otherwise, I'm going to give the test to you. You're going to time yourself for 40 minutes max.
Could you make it to where the show immediately? Like you could put like an answer key in the test and then it shows after you finish.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, it's like you can get your grade as soon as you finish.
You want the scores to appear immediately, Manav?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
just have
me
to
too.
you have to put you just have to like put the right answers in.
I'll do that, Manav, but why are you wanting it? Let me know. I really do not want to do that. You know why? Because I want to keep track of what you guys do.
Miss Priya,
But I am open to your suggestion. Why do you want it, Manav?
No, I just don't have to like keep thinking about what I got. So like it's like
Oh, okay. I don't mind at all. I will go over your results. Okay, I'll enable that. Yes, ma. What is that, Yukti?
I'm kind of stuck. I made it to a certain point in the question, but I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do now.
I forgot how to find the ALS.
Ma.
I'm pretty sure the vertex is the AOS, right?
Vertex
Oh
X
yeah,
coordinate
it
is
is.
AOS, right?
It is the.
You guys completely forgot the vertex, huh?
It's the x an x point or whatever. It's x equals,
Exactly.
right?
So let's say this is your thing, right? Here the vertex is 3 comma, let's say minus 3 means x equal to 3 is your axis of symmetry.
Yeah, I just realized.
Yep.
I'm kind of stuck on how to convert the formula to vertex form.
Take out 9 as common. X square plus 2. Shruti, good job, Shruti. 2x minus 3. Now, what happened? X square plus b by 2a, right? Plus 1 minus 1. B by 2a, the whole square is what? B is 2. 2a is 2 times 1. So 1 square, right? Plus 1 and minus 1, right? Now, I group this. X plus 1 the whole square minus 4. Now 9 is outside, it becomes 9 times x plus 1 the whole square minus 36. So here, what is the vertex? Yeah, let me see, wait. Ashita, 9 times x plus 1 the whole square minus plus 1 minus 3, okay. Minus
Wait, I had
1.
a question
Yeah, ma'am?
about this. So the -3 doesn't get affected by us like removing the common thing because
Yeah, exactly,
it's
because
Correct.
you can't.
You caught me, guys. Yes. The minus 3, wait. 9 comes outside. So that becomes 3 by 9, right? So minus 1 minus 3 by 9 is what? 9, 10, 11, 12 by 9. Huh? What are you getting? Wait. Yeah. You guys have a point there. So when I take the 9 outside, right? X square, 9 outside plus 2x, then I can have it outside, So see, for me to reduce confusion, I can have it like that. Let the wrong thing be there, but let me show you. We can do it this way. Here, I will just take these two outside, x square plus 2x. Okay, minus 3, I'll have it outside. So I'm not, good, Sushank and Yukti. So now 9 x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1. See, the problem with this way is, only thing you'll have to remember, I'll tell you. Plus 1 minus 1, when I do, right, I can only combine these three, right? So that would be x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 is there. Now I multiply by 9 inside. When I multiply by 9 inside, 9 times x plus 1 the whole square minus 9 minus 3. So it becomes this. 9 times x plus 1 the whole square minus 12. Does it make sense?
For a second, I thought my answer was wrong, but I'm right.
No, yours and Shruti's was right. I was wondering, where did I make the mistake? And coming to this one, this is also possible, guys. You can take it as minus 3 by 9. When you take it as minus 3 by 9, what happens? Minus 3 by 9. So it will be minus 12 by 9. So here it will be minus 12 by 9. When you put this 9, when you carry that over, right, this will become 12 by 9 times 9. So it will become 12. That is also fine.
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
How can you do this by doing b by 2a? I know that when you do b by 2a, you can find the h, right?
Yeah, here b by 2a is what? B is this, right? A is this. B by 2 times 9. 1. B by, minus b by 2a, right? Ma, x coordinate of the vertex is minus b by 2a. So minus 18 by 2 times 9, which is a minus 1.
Minus
See,
1.
minus 1. You got it?
Yeah.
And then substitute that minus 1 in terms of x, instead of x, into this function and find out y. Minus 9. No, plus 9 minus 18 minus 3. You got it?
Yeah, but then you only know the h in the k, so how do you know what the a is? Do you just put the a from the front of the equation?
Axis of symmetry, you're asking?
No, not the axis of symmetry. You know how it's a x x squared plus k, not that formula, a times x minus h squared plus k.
Yeah.
How
Here
do you
a
find,
is 9.
so do you just get it from the standard form equation?
No, what are you trying to find? This format is, this stands for the vertical stretch. In standard form, a does not stand for anything.
No. I mean, in the standard form, it's 9x squared. So how did you get 9 as the? How do you figure out if 9 is also the a for this equation?
Standard form is always ax square plus bx plus c. B is 18, c is minus 3, a is 9.
No. I mean, in the standard form, it says 9x squared. So a in standard form is 9. But in the vertex form, it's also 9 as a, right? How, if you were to substitute -1 to find the x, the k, to find the k, you only know h and k. So how would you know if there's an a in front of the vertex form or not?
I am partially getting your question. I didn't.
Here, let me write it on the board.
Yeah.
In this equation, you know from this that you could easily say it's this, right? How do you know if the a is 9?
Because compare it with this format, right? Compare it with a times x minus h the whole square plus k. You will get all the values, right? A, h, k.
I mean, how do you know the answer is 9 and not another number?
Oh, because the coefficient of x inside the parenthesis is 1, right?
Yeah.
So when you're able to make the coefficient of x inside the parenthesis as 1, whatever comes outside is your a.
So
Okay, ma. This can't be like this. 9 times 2x minus 1. Then your a is incorrect. You got it?
yeah, what I'm asking
In
is
this case,
how is the a 9?
Okay, anybody else understood her question? Can you educate me what she's asking? Nillama, it's okay. What is the big deal? What is your question, Shruta? I don't want to waste time as well.
Yeah, I'm
You
I'm
can stay. You can stay. We'll clarify that. Okay.
okay.
No problem. Okay. Now, guys, how about this? I'm launching a firework from a 200 feet tower. I'm launching a firework from a 200 feet tower. Please draw the fireworks upward velocity. The fireworks upward velocity is 176 feet per second. Okay. Okay. Firework explodes at the highest point. Okay. How long does it take the firework to reach the maximum height? How long does it take to reach maximum height? How do you do this?
Wait, how are we supposed to find it if we don't know what the maximum height is?
See, my problem, you won't be given anything. Okay. Here, what I want you to understand is for any projectile. What is this projectile? Projectile means that follows an inverted parabola. This firework you're launching from a 200 feet tower means what is happening? It is following an inverted parabola, which is a projectile. For all these, you need to be able to remember your generic equation. The height of the firework at any given time t is given by minus 16 t square plus b0 t plus h0. This one you need to memorize. Okay, they may or may not give. This is from physics. For any projectile motion that's thrown either from the ground or from a tower of some feet high, this is always the case. V0 is the initial velocity. Okay, h0 is the initial height. This one you should know by yourself. Sometimes they give you. Now, V0 is the initial velocity means I can substitute 176 here. H0 is
Wait,
the
wait, wait, wait.
initial
Where did
height.
the negative 16t squared come from?
Yes, that is from physics. You guys are not learning physics and then coming to algebra 2, but you're learning algebra 2 and going to physics. So there are certain things that we derive from physics and put it in here.
And one
Okay.
question is
The
that
thing of 1 minute, let me finish. Here, on Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Are you aware of that, Sushank?
No.
No, see, that's my problem. So I don't want to get into physics, but at the same time, the way this minus 16 gets calculated is using this acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Meaning since it is downward, it is a minus 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. So using that, for any projectile motion that goes up and obeys gravity and falls down, the height at any point time t is given by this equation. You can just memorize the equation here. Sushank, does it make sense?
Yeah, because I thought it was a part of the equation. I was like, I don't see anywhere that it has to do with that.
It has to do with what?
Like I thought the negative 16 part was like part of the like word problem, and I didn't see it anywhere, so I didn't
Oh
know
yeah.
where it
Meaning
came.
it is already given. You can take it as given, or you can memorize that like the three formulas I said, right? It is always the height at any given point t will be minus 16 t square plus v0 t plus h0. Any projectile motion, if they have not given the height equation, you can take this for granted. Okay, now you can substitute whatever values are given in the equation, in the verbal problem. So the initial velocity is 176. So what will you substitute? Instead of V0, you substitute 176. Instead of H0, you substitute 200. Now your equation becomes minus 16t square plus 176t plus 200. How long does it take to reach maximum height? What are they asking? I will plot x and y. X is seconds, y is height, right? How long will it take to find out to go to the maximum height? What are they asking, guys?
They
How
ask
long
you
it'll
the
take to
They
reach
take
time.
its
the
vertex?
x coordinate of the vertex.
Yes, they are asking x coordinate of the vertex and the equation is in standard form. How do you do it?
You have to convert it to vertex form, right?
No, not really. Directly from standard form as well, you can find the vertex x coordinate easily, right?
Oh yeah, you can do
How, what
the
is it?
negative b by 2a.
Yes, you can use that. Negative b by 2a. So x coordinate of the vertex, right, will be negative b by 2a. That's it. You got it? So that many seconds it would take to reach the maximum height. Next question, if they ask you what is the maximum height, then this is your t value. That t value you're going to substitute in this function, find out your height value, maximum height. You got it? And for sanity purposes, you need to verify that it is above 200 because here itself it's at 200 feet. So when it reaches its maximum height, it will be well above 200 feet. Okay, can I move on?
Why'd you make it negative 176?
Why did I make a negative 176?
Because
Minus
it's
b
negative
by
b
2a,
by
right?
2a.
Oh, negative. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
No problem at all. I'm glad you're asking and clarifying. Can I move on? Okay, guys, I want you to work all the quadratic word problems at home. Can I move on, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, now how about this? Okay. How about you start writing your quadratic functions? Let's say the vertex is 0, 0. Okay. The graph goes through the point 2, 8. It opens upward. If they give you this sort of a thing, how do you work it out? Ax square plus bx plus c. I know this is your format. Okay. They are saying opens upward means this coefficient of x square is positive. If it goes downward, then this coefficient of x square is negative, right? I would want your videos to be on whatsoever. Okay, I just can't ask one of you to do it. I will have to ask the entire class to do it. Okay, it's a mandate for all. No, so now ax square plus bx plus c. Now, if it opens upward, this is going to be positive. The coefficient that accompanies x square is going to be positive. Now, vertex is 0, 0. What do I do with it? So vertex is given, point is given. Then why don't I use this format? A times x minus h the whole square plus k. That I can use because vertex is given and a point is given. F of x is y. Point is x comma y. X comma y. Vertex is h comma k. So I substitute x minus 0 the whole square plus 0. This is equal to y. Now x minus x comma y I already have 2 and 8. Right? 8 will be equal to 8 times 2 minus 0 the whole square plus 0. So 8 will be equal to 4a. A will be equal to 2. So now you have your equation, quadratic function equation. Y or f of x equal to 2 times x square. That's all. Any questions? Oh, okay, Srinidhi, I got it. Thanks for the message, Srinidhi. I really appreciate it.
Yep.
Guys, did you get it? Guys, any questions?
No.
No, I got it.
So now here we go. Vertex, you're going to do one. At least one if you do, then only that convinces me. Vertex is minus 6, 4. Point is minus 5, 0. Opens downward. Then what will be the format? Let's see. Same, but then a has to be negative. X minus h the whole square plus k. Y will be equal to A. A has to be a negative one. When you solve for it, automatically A will be negative. Just check out.
I have a question.
Go ahead, Amma.
I got A equals 0.
You got you got A equal to 0.
Yeah.
Eh, that seems incorrect.
Can I try doing it on the board?
Yes, please. Why not? It'll be fun. Go ahead.
Okay. So what I did was, wait, let me
I
first label.
also
This
got
is
a.
You then
got.
did I give it to you wrongly? Hold on. Minus 6 comma 4 minus 5 comma 0 opens downward.
I
Right.
got A equals 4.
Me too. I got A equals 4.
I got
Yeah.
A equals -4.
That is right.
Oh, sorry, yeah, -4. My bad. Yeah,
this is
-4.
K.
Wait,
Yeah.
I don't get it. How is it -4?
Ishank, you want me to write on the board? Huh?
Because at the end you subtract the 4 to the other side.
I'm gonna try to do
Yeah,
it
when you
because then
subtract
Okay,
4,
okay,
0
fine.
minus 4 is -4, and then you're dividing it by -1.
1 minute, Amma. 1 minute. Let Sushank do.
Yeah.
Whole square plus K. K
Yeah, I
is
also got A as a -4.
-4 is right.
and then this -5 plus 6 is 1, -1. Oh wait, no, yeah, just +1,
Correct. Can I
right?
write it,
And
Sushank?
then
Can
1 times 1 is 1 squared. So that's 1 plus 4. And then A plus 4. Oh, plus! I forgot the plus. Oh, I removed the plus. Oh.
You got it. Okay. Ashita, did you get a -4?
Yeah, I figured it
Hey,
out.
Srinidhi, again, the video is mandatory, ma. Srinidhi, did you get the answers?
Yeah, I'm listening and I'm paying attention.
Okay. Lima, did you get the answer?
No.
Okay, now I see how it's
Why is
-4.
it you didn't get it? You let me know. I'll help you, Srinidhi.
I think I just need one more example for you to like fully understand.
Sure. Can I move on then?
Yeah.
Okay, just for you, we are doing one more, okay? Okay, we'll do a different
Priya,
one. Meaning,
can I explain the next one?
yes, but it is going to be a different format. Let me see.
Oh,
Let
okay.
me see who gets it. Let me see who is able to apply and get it. Axis of symmetry, x equal to -3. Points through which the graph goes is -7, comma, -2, -5, comma, -8. There are 2 points given and an axis of symmetry given. Okay, it opens upward. Let me see whether you're able to. You have to use algebra 1 concepts here. A
Miss
little bit.
Priya, can I try it on the board?
I want you to
Which
try.
one's the
Tell me
point
the
and which
answer. If
one's
you
the
get it right, you can do it on
vertex?
the board.
Okay.
Huh?
Which one's the point and which one's the vertex?
Amma, vertex I have not given you. 2 points
Oh,
that the graph passes through, an axis of symmetry is -3.
oh, okay. Wait, we're supposed to find vertex form with this?
Yeah, you can use the vertex form, but it is slightly different.
Okay.
I can help you with writing out the equation. Try, you can actually, it's not a hard one. Y will be equal to 8 times x minus h the whole square plus k. You have to use all of the information that's given. See, y value you don't know. Actually, the k value you don't know. Okay, go ahead, let's see. But h value you know. X and y you know. Problem is you'll have 2 unknown variables, a and k.
Yeah, that's what I am getting.
Yeah, but then there are 2 given points, right? 2 xy values are given.
Yeah.
So 2 times you can substitute and get 2 different equations. 2 variable, 2 equations you'll get. See, we should be able to play with quadratics. Once you understand the properties of a quadratic curve, then it becomes easy. Mm-mm.
I found the slope intercept formula. Like the y equals mx plus b. Is that like gonna help?
Ah, Sushank, you bring up a very good point. We are talking about quadratic curves. We are talking about U curves. Does it make sense?
Oh,
Wait, can I shout out my answer?
You can 1 minute, Mana. Sushank, do you see the difference?
yeah.
We are not talking about these. You see, they
Yeah,
follow y equal to mx plus b. This follow y equal to x square. It's okay. See, you're all learning it for the first time. It's very easy to get confused, but you have to remember the distinction. You got it?
yeah.
Okay. So you have to substitute these 2 points in the same equation, get 2 equations in 2 variables, solve by substitution or elimination as we did in algebra 1. Yes, Manav, you can shout out. It's okay.
I got A equals 3/4.
You
Are
got
you
what?
supposed to put 2 points in one equation, or do you have to do 2 different equations and add both of those points?
Okay, wait, Ashrita. Let me finish Manav's
Yeah.
question. Manav, what was that?
I got A equals 3/4.
A equals 3 over 4. Illima. Something feels wrong. Can I do it on the
I
board?
mean, I'm not sure if I did it correct or not because I just like bought. So I got the 2 equations. Could I just shout out like what my process was?
What was the final answer? A.
That's why I didn't get the final answer because I think I might have done something wrong.
Okay, what were the 2 equations?
So I got -2 equals a parentheses -7 plus 3 squared plus k.
Okay, ma, I'm going to do it, please. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and do it. Yeah. So here,
For K, I figured out it was -14.
K is -49. No, that is incorrect. Can I try?
I'm lost.
Okay, please, I will try. Okay. This is one XY pair. This is another XY pair. You guys got it? Now, axis of symmetry means they have given the H value. So when I rewrite this equation, it becomes x plus 3 the whole square plus k. Are you all with me?
Priyanti, I just got my answer.
What was it? Can you shout out?
A is equal to 1/2.
Correct. Then k.
Okay. I just have to substitute A back in and I'll
Yeah,
find
that's
K.
correct. A is correct. Okay. So you got this equation now, right? After this, think about it. You're given 2 more values. Why did they give you these values? Okay, this is your main equation. Okay. Now, x equal to, I can substitute x equal to -7, y equal to -2. When I do that, what happens here? A times -2 plus 3 the whole square plus k. -7 equal to A times 1 square plus k. -7 equal to A
Miss
plus k.
Priya,
1 minute,
I
Mana.
think you switched
you
the
did it the wrong
values. I think it's supposed to
way.
be negative
Did I make a
2.
mistake?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
-2
supposed to be
equals,
negative
and then
2 the
-7
y.
is the x value, not the y value.
Oh, I'm sorry. Y will be equal to negative. Oh, I switched it. Oh, so bad. Thank you. Now y will be equal to -2. A times x means -7, right? So this will be 4 square. So this will be -2. So this will be -2 will be equal to 16a plus k. So 16a plus k equal to -2. See, when you have 2 variables, you can never solve with one equation. Now, substitute x equal to -5, y equal to -8. What happens? Again, I have to be careful. -8 equal to 8 times -5 plus 3 the whole square plus k. Now, -8 equal to 8 times -2 the whole square plus k. So 4a plus k equal to minus. Now you have 2 variables in 2 equations. Do you see it?
Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
isn't it supposed to be -4?
Fair, ma.
When it says like in the one, the x plus 3,
Yeah.
like Yes, 97 plus 3 would be minus 4 still. Oh wait, never mind. It doesn't matter, does it? Never mind.
Yeah, since it's square, right? Here, right? Good question though, Srinidhi. Now you have two variables, right? Now see, the thing is both have k. So I can just subtract both the equations. When I subtract both the equations, minus 2 plus 8 on this side, and then 16a minus 4a, that's it. So 12a will be equal to 6, a will be equal to half. That's all. If you substitute back a half in this equation, you'll get k will be equal to minus 8 minus 2. K will be equal to a minus 10. Any questions, guys? Any questions for
I
me?
get it.
Okay, so this is how you get the a and k values, and then you can substitute it back into an original equation to get your equation.
Oh yeah, so then you set the two equations equal,
No,
and
what do
then
you want? Yeah, correct.
and then you solve it.
Yeah, two equation and two variables, right? So what I did was equation 1 minus equation 2, I did it. So that k will get cancelled, right?
Wait, where'd you get 8 from?
What, Manav?
Where'd you get 8 in the when you combine the equations?
I didn't, okay, why, okay. You know, this equation 1 minus equation 2, I did 1 minus 2. So minus 2 minus minus 8.
Oh, okay.
16a plus k minus 4a minus k. So k and k got cancelled. Does it
Oh,
make
I
sense?
get it. Yeah, I get it now.
So this is slightly different. I wanted to cover both the types.
Yeah.
At least see the minimum I'm covering, but I'm making sure you understand the properties, the basic differences between zeros, domain, range, then intercepts, then vertex. So if you understand the basics, right, and at least one word problem we did. We did two different types, and then we went from vertex form to standard form. Vertex form to standard form is easy, direct multiplication. Standard to vertex is hard, so we covered that. So now next week I definitely want to move on to the next topic, please. Okay, please
Miss
complete.
Priya,
Yeah,
can we go over that question I had a question on?
yes, you can.
9x squared plus 18x minus 3.
9x square. Guys, if you all have done understanding this, you can log off algebra 2 kids. What is that 9x square?
9x squared plus 18x minus 3.
Okay, what is your question?
My question was, when you're turning it to vertex form, how do you figure out what the a is? Because when you did it the other way, when you substituted to find the h and the k, how do you find the a?
Ma, the coefficient of x square inside the parenthesis is 1, ma.
Yeah.
Now, after that, you square it, right? You make it into a square term, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Yes.
X minus 1, the whole square, plus 1 minus, plus 1 will be there. So, plus 9 minus 3, right? A minus 9. Minus 3 will be there, correct?
Wait, where did the 9 come from?
Please, Amma, we already did this, Ashrita. X square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1, all this we already did. I don't want to redo that here, right? You should have it in place. So here, this was a minus 3. Plus 1 minus 1 is there, right?
Yeah.
Now, this only you made it into a square term. X minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1, 9 is outside. Minus 3. Correct, Ashrita?
Yeah.
Now, I multiplied this 9 times x minus 1 the whole square. Then I multiplied minus 9 and then I put a minus 3. Correct, ma?
Yeah.
Now, 9 times x minus 1 the whole square minus 12. Correct, Ashrita?
Mm-hmm.
This becomes a times x minus h the whole square plus k. Any questions?
No.
Illama, something is not correct. I still have not catered to your doubt. I know. What is that?
No, when you're not doing it this way, I mean when you're substituting to find the h by doing negative b by 2, you're able to find the h, then you substitute the h and the x, right, to find the k. When you do those two and you put it in the equation, it would be a times x minus 1 squared plus, or minus 12. So you get that part of the equation, but you don't have the a yet.
Yeah. See, when I directly substitute minus b by 2a the whole square, right?
Yeah.
When I directly substitute it, this is the entire thing is y.
Yeah.
X only you're going to substitute.
Yeah.
You don't need a and all.
No. I'm talking about here. Let me write it on the board.
Ashrita, I'm going to push back on this, Ashrita.
Yeah, that's
We'll
fine.
see later. We'll see
Okay.
later, or give me, ping me
Mm.
sometime. I'll ping you sometime.
Okay. Bye,
Okay.
Miss Priya.
Sorry, ma, but I will definitely ping you because I want to
Yeah.
clarify your doubts. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Hi guys, how are you all?
Good. All good.
You know what, guys? Oh my gosh, I forgot to put out a notice.